Hey everyone, welcome to our channel RCMLDC TV. Today we are here for Yapper's Tale, in which we are going to discuss about road track and its everyone's point of view. So today we have here with us three amazing road tractors.
Hello everyone, this is Road Tractor Vinit Sawant, the sports director for year 25-26.
Hello everyone, this is Rotractor Snehal Gangan, the community service director for the year 25-26.
Hello, this side Rotractor Kushal Kohli, the editorial director for the year 25-26.
Myself, road tractor Rohan Lodha, the social media director for the year 25-26. So let's begin with our first question. So how do you all get introduced to road track?
So, to be honest, I got introduced to Road Track by mistake. I actually preferred sports. I ended up here for hours, but after that, I explored it so much that I actually thought of getting into it so much that I had the chance to become the joint director for last year, and now this year I've continued by being the sports director, helping my club grow better, and also for myself to unlock more and more opportunities and completing all the side quests I have in my mind.
Okay, so last year, Rotractor Riya Kholkar, she introduced me to Rotrack. She gave me an idea like what Rotrack is, what it's all about. I joined the Rotrack as a member, but then I attended some events of community service and got to know that community service is my thing. Like I get some satisfaction like when they enjoy what we give them, like with old age peoples, or they gave us that satisfaction that community service is like. So
Okay. So for me, our current president, Rotractor Sanket Mistry, he introduced us Rotrack. So we met in my first year. He was our senior and he's still our senior. So he introduced us to road track, like रोड ट्रैक आओ, बहुत मज़ा आता है, गेम्स है, फन है बहुत, और फिर ऊपर से आज का भी क्राइटेरिया था. सो उसमें भी थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं, उसमें भी थोड़ा फ्लो में आ गए. एंड देन रोड ट्रैक में एज ऑफ दिस ईयर आई एम द एडिटोरियल डायरेक्टर. सो या
ग्रेट, आप सबकी स्टोरीज बहुत अच्छी थी. Okay, so let's begin with our next question. So what is road track to you?
Road Track to me is an opportunity to grow, to do better in my life, to open up myself. It has taught me to how to talk properly and confidently. It has also enhanced my leadership skills. Actually, I had them inbuilt in me from the very start. But Road Track gave me a chance to cherish them and show them to the people who have known for a much less period of time. But still, I have been able to manage them and find a better athlete in them. So this is what I took up from Road Track from this year, and I wish I could learn or do better for my club and even improve something in myself.
okay, so Rotrack for me, like it gave me leadership skills, like how to plan an event, take the lead and everything. And just one thing for Rotrack, loud.
So for me, Rotract is a family because I met very new people here, and उनके साथ bond हुआ, and then gel up हुआ, and then now we are very close to them, both for BODs and core as well. So yeah, it is a family for me.
Great. So the next question is, what is your vision for this current year?
My vision is to give our club more and more better athletes, and also take our club to greater heights. And I'm the sports director, so for me the sole reason for pushing people is to give them more and more opportunities to showcase whatever talent they have in whichever sports they want to play, and I hope to make them a better athlete or give them more opportunities to grow from road track.
Okay, so for me as a community service director, I want to create impact in every community, like old age people, unprivileged kids, transgender community, every community. I want to create impact, give them the services what they want, and
So for me, I want to take our club to the next level in both social media and editorials as well. Mainly editorials because it helps me to capture the club memories in writing form, and as of for social media in photos and videos form. So yeah.
Okay, so now I am inspired to see what you are going to do this year. So अभी तो सबने अपने अपने एवेन्यू के रिलेटेड बोला. So apart from your avenue, what is your favorite avenue and why?
My favorite avenue would be club service and community service. Club service is the avenue which is they help us create bonds, help us get to know each other and my fellow board of directors better. And then comes community service. As we all know, it's the heart of road track. And as I never got going with community service before this, but this year I did participate in Seva Mahotsav. It was a really great initiative. Whatever we did, yeah, that was pretty crazy, and whatever we did, in the end, it gives me a satisfaction in my heart that I have contributed something to the community. And the second one was Bandhan. Like, I never knew that I would do so well as a POC, and by helping those unprivileged kids, I really thought that giving something back to the community means a lot, and by community service that goal of our life gets fulfilled. So I would like to thank both of these avenues. One of the directors right here. Pretty amazing work. Keep going.
okay, so my first would be sports. Sports give us like that opportunity to play something or showcase your inner sports person or athlete, whoever. Like we can, if we want to play the sport but we don't get chance, the sports is the avenue which gives us that opportunity to play. And the second would be entrepreneurship development, because I am a finance student, so I love financial activities and entrepreneurship development. ED is doing very great, and these are my two favorite avenues.
Okay, so for me, admin, because उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ काम नहीं रहता, कुछ काम नहीं करते वो लोग. नो हेट, मस्ती कर रहा था. Social media, because I really like I really like to capture every moment. I really like to capture very good memories of our club, and to post it and to show everyone what a club does. It is really nice. Yeah.
Okay. So road track is about bringing a change. So what changes do you feel कि आप में आए हैं after joining road track, and before joining road track what were you, अभी क्या हो, and where do you see yourself in the future?
By road track, I really don't see myself working for a big company in future, to be honest. But I would definitely take up so many good memories with me. I got to know so many good people. Not any of them, but I would definitely take up these friendships with me for the rest of my life. And definitely not all, but some of them whom I know. Yeah.
Okay, so firstly, I was an introvert, extreme introvert. Like 12th standard में मेरे सिर्फ एक friend थी, but after joining Rotrack, it gave me many friends, many relations, and Rotrack made me extrovert. Like अभी मैं किसी से भी जाके random person से भी बात कर सकती हूँ. वो confidence, Rotrack given me that confidence. वो you know that किसी से जाके बात कर सकते हैं. फ्रेंड्स तो बहुत मिले, ये सब भी है, बट मेंबर्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं एंड वो बॉन्डिंग है.
Okay. So for me, Rotrack. So I am also an introvert person. So like ऐसे starting में तो बस रोहन को ही मिला था मैं. बाकी देन संकेत और ये लोग से बाद में मेरा ये हुआ. बट जब रोट्रैक में आया, आई मेट ईच एंड एवरी ऑफ द पीपल एंड उन लोग ने लाइक बहुत सपोर्ट किया मुझे. एंड या सो
Okay.
By the way, editorials director. Yeah. So.
Okay. So last year हम सब members थे. हमारे सेकेंड ईयर है एंड होप सो शायद थर्ड ईयर भी होगा एंड मे बी इन फ्यूचर होप सो. सो
सपने देखना अच्छी बात है.
so which are what do you feel about Rotrack Club of ML Dhanukar College, MLDC? Rotrack के बारे में पता चला, MLDC में आया, बाद में MLDC के बारे में क्या फील होता है?
I would say feeling proud Indian. No, but seriously, MLDC, RCMLDC क्या फील होता है भाई?
इमोशन है वो एक.
लफड़े, कंट्रोवर्सी
is a part.
is a part. That is the best part according to me. उसके बाद ये सब लोग जो भी है, जो भी है मेरे साथ, मतलब है ठीक ठाक है, ऐसा कुछ बुरा नहीं बोल सकते. बाकी तो रोहन मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है वैसे. इतना ज़्यादा क्लोज है. और कुशल
देख रही है.
अरे यहाँ समृद्धि किधर है? समृद्धि, या whatever the role she has, I think she is doing pretty great. I mean, क्लब एम्बेसडर का रोल ही वैसे क्या है, तो she would be doing great obviously. और अधिकार
समृद्धि के लिए क्लब एम्बेसडर का पोस्ट बनाया गया, एम्बेसडर का पोस्ट बनाया गया.
समृद्धि साइड आया लुक दे रही है, डेथ स्टेयर. अरे नेक्स्ट ईयर नहीं, डेथ स्टेयर नेक्स्ट ईयर.
ओके, चालू है.
हाँ, सो कट कर दे. मतलब या क्वेश्चन क्या था भाई? बेस्ट फ्रेंड
क्वेश्चन
RCMLDC for me is the topmost priority for this year. Like it has been so great. I have been working so hard, relentlessly day and night. But these people. Take bus. Acha. So seriously, RCMLDC for me is like a second home. I have definitely enjoyed being here for the past 1 year, and also how many months I have been here this year, I don't know, but yeah, spending time with all of these, my friends, my co-directors, it feels like they are my own. ऐसा क्या बोलते, एक जिस्म 100 जान, वैसा वाला सीन है बस. For me, all of the RCMLDC is like
Okay, so for me, RCMLDC is like an emotion because RCML यहाँ पे हर एक emotion निकलता है. Sometimes we cry, we laugh, we enjoy together. सो बेसिकली इट्स अ होम जहाँ पे सब है. अगर यहाँ से कुछ होगा तो कोई और संभाल लेगा, यहाँ से कुछ होगा तो कोई और. एवरीवन इज सपोर्टिव एंड या.
So for me, रोड ट्रैक क्लब ऑफ एमएल दानोगर कॉलेज को 13 पोजीशन से ऊपर लेके जाने की लाइक वी विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट एंड टॉप 10 में आने की बहुत ट्राई करेंगे एंड आई होप आएंगे भी. एंड या फॉर मी रोड ट्रैक इज RCMLDC is our second home, as he said. I met very new friends here and made very good bonds with them. Also controversies होती रहती है पर वो चलता रहता है, हर एक क्लब में रहता है. So yeah.
ओके, सो थोड़ा फन पे जाते हैं अभी. Who are your top 3 favorite directors?
Start from there, please.
Top 3 directors. Okay. So पहला तो रोहन है एंड सेकेंड है ध्रुवी एंड थर्ड अनिकेत पोटे. बहुत काम करता है वो.
Okay, so for me, my first favorite director is my only co-BOD, Tanvi Rao Rane. She helps me a lot. Events plan करने में हो गया, execute करने में हो गया, everything. And second is Retractor Vinit Sawant. He is an ZC of ComServe. So he gives me an overview idea like what type of event should be done, zonal में क्या है and all event ideas. And the third would be Mayank Sarmarkar, Retractor. He's also a sports director. But back end से जो support रहता है या just go for it, emotional support, initial support, everything he gives.
Yeah, what was the question?
Top 3 favorite directors.
Yeah, my top 3 favorite BODs are none.
ओके, सो अभी एक गेम खेलते हैं. ओके, मैं कुछ टर्म्स दूंगा एंड वो टर्म्स में कौन सा डायरेक्टर फिट होता है ये आपको बताना है. ओके, रेडी? सो नखरेबाज कौन है?
रोहन लोधा.
Vinit.
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. सबसे नखरेबाज. Hey.
I would also like to change my answer.
BODs में ही करना है या कोर में भी चलेगा? ओके. सबसे नखरेबाज रोहन ही. बहुत.
ओके, कामचोर.
That would definitely be Tanvi Rao Rane. Tanvi Rao Rane. ए विनी नको. नाही असं नाही. मयांक. चल कसा?
चल.
ए मयांक.
मयांक.
असं दात बघ.
कंठापासून आवाज निघतो.
मयांक.
तुला मारेल
मयांक. तू मार खाणारा.
ओके, क्या क्वेश्चन था?
ये कामचोर.
कामचोर. Okay, so for me, no offense to anyone, but Dhruvi.
ओके. सबसे बड़ा कामचोर क्लब में. फॉर ऐसे कुछ हेट नहीं है पर मृणाली.
ओके, सो हेल्पर जो हर चीज में हेल्प करे.
निकेत पोते एंड विवेक धूमल. या नो वन बट अदर देन देम. बाकी सब नाम के.
Okay, so for me, विवेक, बिग ऑब्वियसली उसका जो है एवेन्यू क्रिएटिव वो बहुत अंडररेटेड है, बट वो बहुत ज़्यादा काम करता है उसमें एंड ये जो 2 स्पोर्ट्स डायरेक्टर है वो मेरे डेप्यूटी एसएम है. जब भी मेरे इवेंट के लिए चाहिए रहता है वो लोग आईफोन लेके आ जाते हैं. सो दीज 2 स्पोर्ट्स डायरेक्टर, विनीत एंड मयंक.
ओके, सो क्वेश्चन क्या था? ओके, हेल्पर. एडमिन निकेत पोते और ये अरमान दोनों हाँ दोनों काम करते हैं. लाइक अभी कुछ क्रिएटिव्स का हुआ, कुछ सामान लेने के जाना होगा तो अरमान पहले भागता है, बाइक लेके भागता है वो पहले. तो या
विलन फिगर.
विलन फिगर.
मयंक मोकाशी. बहुत डर लगता है उससे. नहीं, नो ऑफेंस. लाइक विलन फिगर में
मैं बीच.
उपेंद्र.
मैं वही बोलने वाली थी, युपेंद्र नॉर्मली बहुत चिल दिखता है, बट जब उसको गुस्सा आता है वो मार पीट पे आ जाता एंड बट युपेंद्र जब उसको गुस्सा आता है इज लाइक विलन का विलन.
Okay, so before ending it, अपने अपने एवेन्यूज के बारे में एक ब्रीफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इन द नेक्स्ट 3 क्वार्टर्स जो भी होने वाला है. अपना विजन शेयर करो.
Okay, for my vision for the next quarter is okay. So मेरे avenue में basically I draft club. I represent club in a writing format. Like जो कुछ भी events है जो avenues के है उसका caption, उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में जितना रहता है वो सब मेरे अंडर आता है. एंड उनका जो PR मैसेजेस रहता है वो भी मेरे एवेन्यू के अंडर आता है. सो फॉर माई विजन फॉर आवर क्लब आई एम प्लानिंग फॉर ओपन माइक एंड ऑल्सो अ पॉडकास्ट वेयर I'll be inviting Rotractors from different clubs. Also, it may be presidents or secretaries. So stay tuned.
Okay, so myself, Rotractor Snehal Gangan, the community service director. Community service gives us an idea that it serves to community. We serves to every community, like transgender people or LGBTQ community or old age people. So we are planning to like transgender is a community जो इतना like नहीं, जिस पे इतना इवेंट्स हुआ या फिर जिस पे इतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं हुआ है जितना होना चाहिए. सो वी आर प्लानिंग टू डू उनके रिलेटेड इवेंट्स, लाइक उनको इनकम जनरेट करके देना सो दैट दे विल गेट कॉन्फिडेंस कि they can generate income by their own by working hard. So this is our vision.
Yeah, so hello everyone, this is Rotractor Vineet Samant, the sports director. As being a sports director, we have pretty cool options with us for the upcoming 3 events. सबसे पहले तो हम लोग को अपना भूला भट का नज़र लगा हुआ इवेंट हसल आउट को कंप्लीट करना है. दैट्स द प्राइमरी गोल. उसके बाद वी आर प्लानिंग टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट that no other club has ever done or even ever thought of. That is doing weightlifting. जिसमें we will do bench press, deadlifts and squats किसको मारने आता होगा तो. And the third one would be our would be the our mega project, that is Fem Fusion, which will be an initiative only for the female members of our club, where we will be organizing games like cricket, football and many more. Yeah, it was my pleasure to have you Rohan on my show. Oh sorry.
Sorry विनीत, ये मेरी लाइन थी. Okay, so before ending, let's do the club's shout out. Okay, ready? Yes. 3, 2 1 आराम से.
We are the champions.
Diamond Soul. RC Dhankar is here to roll. We are the champions. Diamond Soul. RC Dhankar is here to roll. So it was a pleasure of having you three on here, the stage. So hope you all liked the video. If you all liked it, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.